Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
welcome
welcome
back
back
to
to
the
the
IC
IC
Travelers.
Travelers.
So we are in Pattaya right now. It's our day 6 of our Thailand series. In the last episode, we showed you like how to get from Bangkok to Pattaya and then how to book the Coral Island trip. Everything. We went to the walking street at night also. Do watch that video. And today it's now at 12:30 p.m. So we are a little late than we thought of going out, but since we had so much exploration in Bangkok, so it's fine. We had a lazy morning today. We had our breakfast. Like we don't have a complimentary breakfast. We didn't take the complimentary breakfast here in the hotel. So
हम लोग के पास 7 to 11 है जो हम लोग के लिए सेवियर जैसा ही है. वो बैंकॉक में भी था, पताया में भी. तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ से ब्रेड लिया, थोड़ा सा केक वगैरह लिया और हम लोगों ने हॉट चॉकलेट लिया. तो आके हम लोग ये ब्रेड बटर और हॉट चॉकलेट के साथ अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कंप्लीट किया. तो उसके बाद हम लोग गए थोड़ी देर के लिए स्विमिंग पूल.
we had some beautiful swimming sessions. Like the swimming pool is really good here in the hotel that we have booked. So we really enjoyed that, and after that we rushed. We took a bath and we got ready, and now we are going to explore Pattaya. Let's go. So this is Bolt Taxi. We booked our taxi from Bolt. Like in Pattaya, we have been booking our taxi through Bolt, so it works better than Grab here, and you get better rates here. So we have decided to start our Pattaya day tour with some blessings. We are here at the big Buddha Pattaya. It sits atop a hill, and the hill is called the Patumnak Hill. We got here from the taxi. It took 63 baht. So once you are here, you will first see few shops selling souvenirs, ice creams, local Thai food, chips, etc. And then once you are at the entrance, you will see these crafted 7 shining snakes which are meant to guard the entrance to the temple, but these are basically handrails. And then you will see steps that leads to the main attraction. But let me tell you 3 things. First being the steps are quite small, so even the elderly will be comfortable. Second, the entrance is free. And third, and the most important, like any other temple in Thailand, you need to dress appropriately, which is you need to cover your shoulder and knees, or else you will have to buy sarong from here at an extra cost.
So the big Buddha Pattaya is basically a 18-meter tall statue painted in gold and made of concrete. The temple also has 7 Buddha images in different posture representing different days of the week. इस जगह की और एक ख़ास बात यह है कि यहाँ से आपको पूरी पताया और जमतिन बीच का एक सुंदर सा एरियल व्यू देखने को मिलेगा. सो वी रियली एन्जॉयड आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप. पर अभी टाइम है टू बुक अ बोल्ट कैब एंड हेड टू द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप.
So it is 2:30 p.m. right now. We got the Bolt taxi. We are getting that taxi because here the public transportation is not very convenient. The BART bus, like it doesn't go everywhere. So, but Bolt taxi is not that expensive. It's quite cheaper. And now, right now, we are at Sanctuary of Truth. So it is basically a museum. But more interestingly, it's an unfinished museum by a Thai businessman. So the construction began in 1981, but not pretty sure why it is still unfinished or it is deliberately done with like that. So let's go check it out. So we booked the ticket through Klook.com. Like here, the tickets were 500 baht, but after checking the rates that I booked it like 1 month earlier. We got it at 360 baht each. But here, if you would have come here and bought the ticket, it would have been 500 baht each. So we got at a discount. And everywhere in Bangkok or wherever, we have been booking our tickets through Klook.com. So it's a good deal. You can get there. Oh wow, look at it. কি ধুনীয়া. It is by the sea. We didn't know that. And I don't know if the camera is justifying the architect, and it's all out of wood carvings. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful just to look at it through our naked eyes. Isn't it beautiful? So the Sanctuary of Truth is a structure designed as a hybrid of a temple and a castle that is themed on the Ayutthaya kingdom and of Buddhist and Hindu beliefs. We saw structure of Ganesha and Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva as well. It is constructed totally out of wood, even the idols and sculptures are wood carved. So after spending a good 2.5 hours at this must-visit place, it was time to book a Bolt taxi and head to our next spot. Alright, so right now it's 5:30 p.m. and we have come till Art in Paradise. It's a 3D art museum. So I've come with no expectations what will we be experiencing, and let us check it out if it's worth it or not. So come. Well, we booked our tickets through Klook.com and the tickets costed us 230 baht each. And once we displayed our voucher, they provided us with the physical tickets. And once we entered, we were asked to download their in-house app, which worked wonders, and it brought all the art that we saw in the museum to life. We will give you a snippet, but do check out those videos in our Insta handle.
एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा अमेजिंग था। हम लोगों ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था। आते ही उन लोगों ने एक ऐप डाउनलोड करने दिया था, जिस ऐप में आप फ़ोटो और वीडियो दोनों ले सकते हो, और इतना इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है ना सब कुछ, जो आप अपने नेकेड आई से नहीं देख सकते वो सब आप मोबाइल में कैप्चर कर सकते हो। तो ये मतलब बच्चों के लिए तो फेवरेट प्लेस होगा, और मेरे लिए भी अभी फ़िलहाल तो मेरे लिए भी ये फेवरेट प्लेस है। कैसा लगा आप लोगों को? हम लोगों को कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइए।
So we are done with Art in Paradise. You have to come here when you are in Pattaya. As she told, the experience was quite phenomenal, and even this the camera can't justify because the 3D experience cannot be in my camera. But right now we have booked a cab to go to our hotel so that we can dress up, and we are going to our fourth spot for the day, and the last spot it's Alcazar Cabaret Show. We are very much excited for it, and we'll let you know the experience and again if it's worth it or not. So yeah. The Alcazar Cabaret Show is a combination of dazzling clothes, superb acts, and energetic performances. There are different show timings at 5:30 p.m., 7 p.m. and at 8:30 p.m. We booked for the 8:30 p.m. show at Klook.com, of which the voucher was exchanged for the physical tickets. Our tickets costed us 950 baht each. Now inside, videography was strictly prohibited, so we will not be able to show you the performances much, but definitely can give you a glimpse. Do remember that all the performances are carried out by ladyboys, which makes it unique.
So later they came outside so that you can take a picture with them. But do remember, you will have to pay a price for that. I don't remember it much, but maybe it was 100 baht per picture. Well, we skipped that, and after spending some time there, we packed our dinner at McD and headed to the hotel.
तो अभी हम लोग अल्काजार शो से आ गए हैं होटल में, और बीच में हम लोग रुके नहीं, इसलिए वीडियो किया नहीं, सीधा होटल आके वीडियो किया। बीच में बस हम लोगों ने मैकडी से अपना डिनर लिया, जो बर्गर है वही, और उसके बाद सीधा हम लोग होटल के लिए आ गए। तो शो के बारे में बोले तो शो काफ़ी अच्छा था, पर शो कॉस्ट्यूम, लाइट्स और उन लोगों का जो सेटअप था उसके ऊपर ही था। वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने कुछ थीम के ऊपर ही परफॉर्म किया था, जहाँ पे इंडियन था और अरबिक भी था। बस वो दोनों मुझे नहीं पसंद आया, बाकी सब बहुत अच्छा था, क्योंकि बाकी सब के बारे में मुझे इतना कुछ नहीं पता था। पर इंडियन में मुझे एक ही खराब लगा, जैसा उन लोगों ने कॉस्ट्यूम पहना, जैसा उन लोगों ने डांस किया, वो बिल्कुल भी इंडियन के साथ लिंक नहीं है, मतलब वो इंडियन है ही नहीं। पर सॉन्ग जब बॉलीवुड बजा एक ऐसी जगह पे, थाईलैंड जैसे जगह पे, और इतने पूरे क्राउड के बीच में, डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा लगा। और बाकी ओवरऑल बोले तो शो काफ़ी अच्छा था। वन टाइम के लिए तो डेफिनेटली जाना चाहिए, शो को एंजॉय करना चाहिए, और जो लोकल टैलेंट्स है उनको भी हम लोगों को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। तो उसके बाद कल जो हम लोग का प्लान है वो आप लोगों को पता है, कल हम लोग जा रहे हैं कोरल आइलैंड टूर के लिए। तो उसके बारे में भी हम आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डेफिनेटली बताएंगे, कैसे बुक किया, क्या बुक किया, आपको प्रीवियस की वीडियो में पता चल गया, और बाकी कल जो भी होगा वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पता चल जाएगा। तो तब तक के लिए, आज के लिए मतलब इतना ही। तो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। कुछ भी आप लोगों को जानना है तो कमेंट पे ज़रूर हम लोगों को बताएं, और हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय बाय, गुड नाइट।